Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to pass data from Salesforce flow to the Lightning Web Component, and also how to pass the data from Lightning Web Component to the Salesforce flow. In order to uh, pass data from flow to Lightning Web Component and Lightning Web Component to the flow, I have created a simple flow where I have a text box where I will be able to get the account name. Using the account name, I'm fetching the account records which contains the name that was entered in that text box. Using Lightning Web Component, I'm displaying the account records. I'm displaying all the accounts that was searched and matched here in this Lightning Web Component. In the Lightning Web Component, the users will be able to select the accounts. Once they select it, those selected accounts will be displayed in this pick list. In order to pass data from the from the Salesforce flow to the Lightning Web Component, I will be able to configure here. If I wanted to get the data from the Lightning Web Component, there are two options. One, you can select this manually assign variables so that you should be able to see the output variable from the Lightning Web Component. Or here I'm displaying it as a pick list, so I need a collection choice sets. So I created a collection choice sets. Here I'm going to display the accounts, the selected accounts from the Lightning Web Component. The display accounts here is the API name of the Lightning Web Component configuration, and the selected accounts is the output variable configured in the Lightning Web Component. In order to pass data from flow to Lightning Web Component, we have to use role as input only. In order to pass the data from the Lightning Web Component to the flow, we have to set role is equal to output only. The selected accounts which we saw there on the flow is the output variable from the Lightning Web Component. List accounts is the input variable. Selected accounts is the output variable. Using the get records, the matched account records are passed to this list accounts, and then I'm displaying it using my Lightning data table. Whenever the users select, I am adding those to the selected accounts output variable. Let's demo and see the output. I'm going to run this flow. I'm going to enter as test. So now we are on this account detail screen. So I'm able to enter a text. Once I click next, it will get the matching records. It will pass the matched records to the Lightning Web Component. So this is my Lightning Web Component. This is my list accounts. So if I select 1, 2 and 4, then 3 records will be available in this selected accounts. Those accounts will be available in the pick list via selected accounts collection choice sets. Let's click next. So we can pass data from Salesforce flow to the Lightning Web Component using role as input only. In order to pass the data from flow to the Lightning Web Component, from the web component to the flow, then we have to use role as output only. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Lightning Web Component code which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.